You just hope. You have no predictable way to attract and convert new high-paying clients. Maybe you secretly know that you are not charging what you are worth, but you are afraid that if you raise your prices, nobody will pay them. If you are offering multiple services, multiple products, maybe you're selling low-ticket products, like get rid all of them, okay? I want you to focus on selling There are 4 really specific problems that are killing most coaches, consultants and service providers this year, and chances are that you are experiencing some of these problems as well. So today I want to share with you these 4 problems and show you exactly how to get rid of them, how to solve all of them right now. So the first problem is lack of focus. Maybe you are doing a lot of different things. You are focusing on selling multiple products. You are offering a lot of different services, or you are just spreading your focus and jumping over from strategy to strategy, chasing new shiny objects, right? We've all been there. And the problem is, again, you are not focusing on one specific thing. You are spreading your focus, so you are not moving in the direction you really want. And there is an easy solution to that, okay? I want you, if you are offering multiple services, multiple products, maybe you're selling low-ticket products, like get rid all of them, okay? I want you to focus on selling one transformational premium offer at $3,000 to $10,000 or more. We will talk about it in a minute. That solves one specific painful problem for one specific niche. That's it. All complexity is gone. You are focusing on one specific offer that solves one problem for one audience. So that's the first problem. The second problem is undercharging. Maybe you secretly know that you are not charging what you are worth, but you are afraid that if you raise your prices, nobody will pay them, right? I've seen it tons and tons of time again. And the second problem may be like maybe you believe that if you lower your prices, you are selling some low-ticket products, that you will be able to impact more people with your knowledge, your expertise. And that's not true, because like if there is not big enough commitment from your clients, they will not follow through, right? They will not implement, they will not do whatever it takes to get the result. So again, easy fix here, raise your prices so you are charging anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 or more for your programs or services, okay? If you have this ability to solve a major business or life problem for your clients, then you can definitely charge anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 or more. And also your clients will get much better results, because the commitment here, if they invest into themselves, is much higher. And I can tell you from my own experience, they will do whatever it takes to get the results and follow through. The third problem is inconsistent revenue. And this is probably one of the biggest issues that I see most clients-based businesses face right now, because maybe you blog, right? Maybe you create posts on Facebook, maybe you post on Instagram, you create endless YouTube videos, daily podcasts, and you create all this content, you hustle every day, and then you just hope that clients will come to you, right? You just hope. You have no predictable way to attract and convert new high-paying clients. Or maybe you are depending on these old school marketing tactics, like depending on referrals, word of mouth, networking, going to events, speaking, right? All these things. And again, the problem is it's unpredictable. You have no control over it, and you are like on this revenue roller coaster. Even if like 1 month is good and you bring some revenue, the following month you are starting from scratch. It feels like you always need to work hard and starting again from zero. And you feel like on this revenue roller coaster, and it's up and down, right? There is no consistency, no predictability. So the easy fix here is to build evergreen client acquisition funnel and run paid advertising. Okay, you want to run paid advertising where you can control how much money you spend, how much leads you bring every single day, and how many clients you bring. So run the ads, send them to some valuable content, offer them to book a call with you, and then close them into your offer if they are a good fit on the phone. And the fourth problem, the last problem I want to talk about, is being on your own. And this is again a big issue, because if you are struggling right now in your business, the most expensive way how to solve it is to figure it out on your own, right? Through trial and error. And it may seem it's cheap, right? You are doing it on your own, you don't hire someone, you don't ask for help, but it's actually really, really expensive, because you will spend years, probably years, maybe like 5 years, 10 years, and a lot of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, on figuring out on yourself through trial and error. The more clever way is to actually hire someone or get some mentor, get some coach who've done what you are trying to achieve and successfully is helping others to do the same, right? Because you can learn from their mistakes. You can follow proven process instead of guessing and figuring out on your own. And this will save you tons of money, tons of time, and you will get where you want to be much faster. So I hope it helps. I hope you got some value from it. If so, let me know to the comments below. Like this video, share it with your friends, and go to stepanhlinka.com if you want me to share with you how all of my clients right now are taking total strangers into high-paying clients within just 48 hours. Go to stepanhlinka.com. It's a free 45 minutes training where I go into much more detail. That's it. Like this video, share your opinion below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for sticking around. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it below and make sure to comment I watched it until the end, so we boost YouTube algorithm to show it to more people. Also, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content, and click over here to check out my next videos, and I will see you there. Bye.